ready to share your stunning Webflow creation with the world. Let's get it published. First, ensure your Webflow project is exactly how you want it browsed through your pages. Check for any last-minute tweaks, and make sure all your content is perfect. This is your final review before unleashing it online. Once you're happy, navigate to the top right corner of your Webflow designer and click the Publish button. A modal window will pop up here. You'll see options for publishing for your first time. You'll typically see a Webflow subdomain. This is a great way to test and see your site live before connecting a custom domain. If you have your own custom domain, like yourbrand.com, you'll need to connect it. First, go to your project settings, then the Hosting tab here. You'll find the option to add your custom domain and follow Webflow's instructions to configure your DNS records with your domain registrar. Once your custom domain is verified and connected, head back to the Publish button. In the publishing modal, you'll now see your custom domain listed. Select it. As your primary domain, you can also continue to publish to the Webflow subdomain if you wish to keep both live. Click the Publish to Selected Domains button. Webflow will then work its magic, uploading your project files to their servers. And just like that, your website is live. You'll receive a confirmation, and a link to your newly published site will be provided. Click that link, and you'll see your Webflow creation accessible to everyone on the internet. Congratulations! You've officially gone live.